Hey, it's Johnny, your test whip of the week. It's the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. The 2020 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross is a small size compact SUV. It's got the crossover feel to it, really trendy contemporary design. And this one here is in a nice shade of white. Spacious hatchback, cargo space in the trunk area with a cover overlay, which I think is essential for a hatchback. Also great speakers and a sound system back here. If you need additional cargo space, these second row seatings recline just by pulling this latch and dropping those forward. Comfortable second row seating in the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross, even with the front seat fully reclined. You've also got your own seat warmers here and your own power for the second row, comfortably sitting 2, maybe 3 people back here. The interior front cabin of the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross, it has a well-appointed, simplistic, well-executed design. Black on silver decor, all leather interior. There's a sunroof and a second sunroof. See, because there's a separator there, so it's not a moonroof. Very well executed. Push button start, keyless entry. The infotainment center greets you with the Mitsubishi Motors information, and then it takes you to the offerings here, which are the apps, the home screen, the audio. In addition, you have your heating and cooling and all your settings for the temperature inside the vehicle. There is an eco drive mode. You can warm the steering wheel, 2 of your USB ports, and traditional power through the outlet there. There's also heating functions here for your seats, high and low. And there is a drive mode. You get the best out of those tires here. You can control that infotainment center with this mouse pad here. And all the same functions that are on the touchscreen, you can get them here and control the audio, the apps, and the home functions. Control the interior lighting of the car, and you have an SOS emergency function here in the car. Some additional drive and safety controls, some interior lighting controls, and other car features here. Here you have your cup holders, an armrest with additional cargo space. I love the glass monitor here so you could see the speedometer, know how fast you're driving, in addition to a traditional dashboard. And of course, there are drive functions on the steering wheel. It's the 2020 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross.